Hello guys, welcome back on a Technology Battlefield. I'm Halim Khuslas to tell you in this tutorials how to get the latest iOS, especially on your latest iPhones. Sometimes, as we know that the manually your iPhone doesn't recommend to you to have the latest iOS. In that condition, how do you especially have this latest iOS or firmware or IPSW? Yes, of course, it will be without data loss. So don't worry, if you are going to have the latest iOS, data will not be able to lose. So how do you access to that? So firstly, we will check it out manually. Is it possible? That's fine. If it is not, then of course it's splendid for us. With the help of especially computer or laptops at your home without any hassles, you can have latest iOS. So firstly, here we will check it out. What's the iOS is working right now. So tap on a setting to come in the general to click on a software update. So now see, it's saying that it's up to date. We are unable to, especially we are unable, of course I am unable to update it. So right now it's saying that the 70 is up to date, so we are not in the positions to especially have the latest one iOS. But of course if you would like to go furthermore, then of course it can be possible. There is a below options. One is a 17.1.1. So if I click here, of course it's saying that you can go for update. But directly, if there is a latest one, especially iOS, furthermore hence, especially, why not we will switch on that? Because after updating that once again, second version, that is a 17.1.2 or 17.2 especially iOS or the come on especially device now. So in that condition, once again it will recommend to you to update on manually. So why not directly we will switch on and skip off this especially 17.1.1 especially iOS. For the just to connect the data cable with the help of especially, of course, from phones to PC. So see guys here. Yes, I have connected now successfully. It's saying that 17.1 is working. So click on a smart and click on the refresh of guys. So now we will check it out. What is the difference between, of course, 17.2 beta and there is 17.1. So of course, see especially so this is a 17.1.1. So this is now we can switch on some the beta version also here available. So we have two options guys. If you don't want to lose the data, of course the company they retain user data, whatever the data is, that will be retained especially or remain on your device spontaneously. Of course, after downloading, just you have to elect this one and hit this one, so flash. Second option also we have, especially we can import here this ones by clicking here. So this beta version where we will get especially firmware. Of course we have one solution for it also. Just here I have to open here. Just go for an administrator, that is a Chrome browser, and yeah, just let me have. Now here is a browser. Just we will maximize of this ones, and of course they have. Let me have some this ones here. Just you will have to type here IPSW beta and thereupon just we will come on a special this links, and after coming on this links a little bit it will take times. Wait and watch guys here. We will have to choose the product guys here. So of course we will choose this ones, and after that of course we will elect a especially product. So now here is a beta version 17.2. so just we will download from here, and thereupon after downloading from here, what we will do guys, directly of course I will import it by clicking here, of course manual selections, and then of course we can suppose this one has been downloaded here, so directly we can import by selecting this one, and we will click on it. But one thing more, if you would like to lose your data, of course, then you have to elect this one quick flash mode here. You will be Otherwise, anti-recovery, this one, you won't be able to ever recover of any data. Either you have the backed off. So in that condition, just go for selection of the retained user data. So Epson application, everything will be especially, of course. It remain after a special updating option this one, and of course the total size is approximately 7 GB, so it will take time. So firstly download it, then of course the execute the simplest start is just you have to select this one and that. So this is an easy way to get a latest iOS. Yes, where in a case your iPhone is not recommending to you to have the latest iOS that is available in a website. So of course this is all about in this tutorial. The further any inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible. And of course one thing more, actually this is a humble request that it is informative and acknowledgeable. So that of course ponder, like, subscribe and share in this content because might be beneficial for those who are highly interested to have this kind of information. That's maybe beneficial for them. So that's why I'm telling you. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you for visiting Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.